Good morning, class. My name is Mrs. De La Garza. If you can't say Mrs. De La Garza, that's okay. You could just call me Mrs. D. Now today I'm going to teach you how to add using a place value chart. So what we're going to do is start with our problems up at the board. So right here we have 32 plus 15. I'm going to show you how to use a place value chart. That way it can be a little bit easier for you to add these numbers, because when you look at this number here, 32 plus 15, you're like, okay, well, what number goes with what number? Does this one go with this one? Does this one go with that one or this one? So I'm going to teach you how to line them up correctly. So when you do a problem like this, 32 plus 15, I'm going to show you how to do the place value chart. When you do a place value chart, you're going to kind of do like a cross. You're going to do a cross like that. You're going to put a T for the tens and a 0 for the ones, or an O for the ones. So here, if we were to put this up and down, this problem up and down, we would see that our tens place would be our 3 and our 1 in this problem. Our ones place would be our 2 and our 5. So we know that the 3 and the 1 is our tens, so we would go to the tens place and write these two numbers, start from this side and then go on to the right. So we would put 3 and 1. Now our ones place value, 2 and 5, we would write under our ones place value. So 2 and 5. Now we can't forget to put our addition sign to the left of the problem. And add a line underneath so that we can add them together. Now you can see that we can add from the top to bottom. So we'll start with our ones place value. 2 plus 5 is 7. 3 plus 1 in our tens place is 4. So our final answer is 47. So we know that 32 plus 15 equals 47. So the next one we would do the same thing. Do our cross, our T, our O for the tens and the ones, and look at the problem. 1 and 1 we know is our tens place value. So we'll put 1 and 1. Our 0 and our 9 is in our ones place value. So we'll write 0, 9. Remember, we can't forget our addition, sign, and our line. 0 plus 9 is 9. 1 plus 1 is 2. So our final answer is 29. So you see how it makes it easy to see the problem and add them. So let's go on to the next one. 26 plus 12. Now let's do our sign here, our T and our O. We know that the 2 and the 1 is our tens, the 6 and the 2 is our ones place value. So let's do the same thing we did on these other ones and write 2 on our tens, 1 in our tens, 6 in our ones, 2 in our ones place. Don't forget the add symbol and our line. So we start with 6 plus 2 is 8, 2 plus 1 is 3. So we get 38. So I've got some problems for you guys to do. So I'm going to give you the worksheet. I'm going to walk around. I'm going to see if you all have any questions, and then we can I can go over them with you, and we'll go on from there. Okay, great job, everybody. I went over some of the problems that you had, and hopefully it's a little bit clearer now on how to use your addition with your place value chart.